guys, ari naman si Mary Ilongga para mag-update guys, kung diin naman kami nakalabot guys. Ari naman kami sa may Tigbawan, road trip naman kita guys para makita ta ang Kanomion ka Iloilo province guys. Please like, comment and subscribe guys para maabangan nyo naman ang part 2 pa road trips naman guys. Thank you and God bless.
Plaza, Sang Tigbawan, Manila Simbahan.